all Freedom train personnel. We are now arriving at our next sighting.
Hey Todd, are you ready?
Yeah, Tina. Everything's all set. I hope they have their cameras ready. I think they really loved us at our last stop.
Yeah, everybody wanted to see the Liberty Bell.
Hey, Tina, some people are coming this way. Excuse me. Hi, what can I do for you? Would you please tell me what kind of items you have on display?
Let's see. What's good? The original Star Spangled Banner is 2 cars down on your right. Gee, Todd, it's almost time to leave already.
Hard to believe, isn't it? Hey, at least we had a great turnout.
Oh, look, it's a real airlock.
Attention Freedom train personnel. We will be departing in 10 minutes.
200 years of our country's history, touring the U.S. for all to see. What a great idea. Last call. We are now departing. Next stop, Detroit, Michigan. Okay, America, get ready. Here we come. Start for giving us the high ball. All right, action blower, force